Hey guys, Braden Hedspeth here. I got a great opportunity for you guys to own a inexpensive, very nice 2012 264 Chaparral Sunesta. This boat has got a 350 mag. As you can see, it's got the sport arch with the built-in bimini. Let's hop aboard and see what this boat's got. All right guys, we're here aboard this 2012 Chaparral Sunesta. As you can see, there's plenty of seating, wraparound bench, a lot of storage. You've got a very nice head, Corian countertops with your freshwater sink. If we move to the helm, as you can see, it's got a Garmin GPS, navigation, forward bow table, plenty of seating up front, forward seating, a lot of storage. As we move in here to the head, Corian countertops, you got an electric head with a overboard discharge, power seats on both sides. Guys, this is a great boat. Come see me, contact me for a sea trial, 727-744-7304.